guys, how you doing? Wells the Gray here. I got great news. My magnet finally came in. I want to share it with you guys. I have a new YouTube channel that I've started. Outside of this one, the link will be in the description below. It's called Hunts for the Undiscovered. I'm doing nothing but sharing my knowledge on the findings, research, and books I read about pirates' treasure, gold, different things in the river, man. That's just in oceans and inlets and all creeks, all kind of places. And you might see other people's videos like that as well, but mine's gonna be one of a kind. So I went ahead, I went to Amazon, and I found what I think is the best deal, price-wise, quality-wise, and just timing as far as the delivery, whether the shipping was free or not, and it was for me. I'm also a Prime member, so let's go ahead and get to this thing.